Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2000 Honda Goldwing with 80,669 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with cruise control, heated grips, multifunction 4-speaker audio system in reverse. It's been upgraded with a motor TRIKE kit and brake triple clamps, heated grips, driving lights, driver backrest, upgraded seats, Markland Highway floorboards, rider and passenger floorboards, air wings, wind deflectors, a rear bumper, heel-toe shifter, and an accessory outlet. The Goldwing is the industry standard for metric touring bikes with its long-distance comfort, weather protection, and bulletproof reliability. Powered by a 1520cc 6-cylinder engine, the Goldwing puts 100 horsepower and 110 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. In stock form, it weighs in at 919 pounds and has a 29.1-inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.